Hi everyone, this is going to be a quick run through of Hallelujah on page 162 of the Justin Guitar Book. Just remember this one's played in 6/8 time, so instead of playing 4 strums on each chord like we usually do, we're going to play 6 strums, with the exception being on the 4th line of the verses. It says in the first one there, it goes like this: the 4th, the 5th, with an F chord and a G chord there. Those are only played for half the bar each, so they'll have 3 strums instead of 6. I'll play an intro on C and A minor before going into the song. Play along at home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the 4th, the 5th, the minor 4, and the major lift. We're barefoot composing hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. You can play some more verses and choruses if you like, but I'll resolve on the C chord just there.